Hello! The video about the new router mini device. Attention! This video isn't as a commercial advertising but only for an information. The device is designed for testing the radio channel of smart keys. Can store in memory with up to 4 keys. Apply for the smart keys of the next types and for the Toyota Lexus cars models as on the screen. The device consists of the repeater or retranslator for scanning and signal transmission from smart key at distance from 0.5 till 8 meters. To start off the operation is needed only to turn on the device and the smartphone to control of the retranslator by its software. Now about the control buttons. Power button for switching on or off of power supply. Power LED shows of a battery discharge. Green LED to monitor of the battery charging. Other green LED for the information about a connection between the car and the device. About the smartphone menu. Numbers from 1 to 4 means the memory cells for 4 keys from 4 cars. Option Read LF is for reading information from keys of the car when you touch the car door handle. Option Read RF is for searching and reading information from a smart key at distance from 0.5 till 8 meters. Tag from 1 to 4 means the numbers of stored keys. L means lock the car. U means unlock the car. Online means that exists a communication between the retranslator and the smartphone. Offline means that no such communication. The sequence of the operation. Turn on both the retranslator and the smartphone. Bring the retranslator to a car door and gently touch of the car door handle. Click on Read LF on the smartphone screen and in 2 till 6 seconds you can see an information about the car keys. After such reading, the information is automatically stored in the memory. Both devices might be switched off this time. Bring the retranslator to the smart key of this car. Click on Read RF on the smartphone screen and in 2 till 6 seconds you can see an information about the key that was read from the car. It's confirmed by the information on the smartphone. You might switch off both devices after the car key information reading and storing it in the smartphone memory. To check of the result of the operation, you can switch both devices on again. Choose the needed memory cell from 1 to 4 where the information was stored. Go to this car with the retranslator at distance from 3 to 10 meters and click on Unlock U or Lock L buttons to open or close the car. So the test is ended now. Thanks for watching.